Hello guys, today's video is about the Realme Buds Wireless. So it is the first pair of Bluetooth earphones from Realme. This is not the first time I'm unboxing these earphones. I've previously used them and tested them a lot. So I just repacked them to give you a full experience. So this is the box these earphones come in. So there is not much to unboxing a pair of earphones, but I'll still show you the unboxing so you get a full experience. The packaging is quite attractive. The back has got the spec highlight. Inside, of course, we have the Realme Buds Wireless. The only color scheme available is black and yellow. It looks great to me, but I know some people won't really love this extremely bright yellow color on it. So the combination of matte black with the glossy black looks stylish and gives a much premium feel. The other things you'll find in the box are the interchangeable ear tips, some paperwork, and a micro USB data cable to charge your earphones. So the data cable also comes in the same color scheme as the earphones, which is the black and yellow. So now coming to the earbuds, I'll just take them out. If you look at the neckband, it has the soft touch plastic, which is quite comfortable when wearing it. Here we have some physical buttons. The corner two buttons control the volume, and the main button is just like another earphone, so just click once to pause. On the back you would see the micro USB port for charging the device. The ends of the earbuds have magnets which attach them to each other. And here with the Realme Buds, it's not just the attachment. With the Realme Buds, this action just pauses the music and turns the earbuds off. So now when you separate them, the earphones turn on and automatically connect to the last paired device. So these earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.0. So in terms of connectivity, they are great. I've tested them out with the iOS and Android devices and they work seamlessly fine on both without any issues. Realme claims a battery life of 12 hours. Of course, I couldn't listen to it continuously for that long, but I would say that it has a very good battery and lasts for a really long time. Realme also claims them being sweat proof, so if you do workout, they should actually survive. Now, coming to the main topic, that is the sound quality of these earbuds. So, I'd say these earbuds sound really good. The separation between the lows and the mids is quite distinctive. I've been using it for a lot of time and I never felt any kind of distortion even at the loudest volume. They just managed to impress here. The audio is clear, crisp, and has a nice depth. So it is also quite loud. These have the 11.2 mm bass driver. So the bass is quite emphasized, which most of you would like. The bass is elevated and it is not completely overpowering. Overall, taking a look at the sound quality, the build and the battery life, I do consider it a great value for money and they are completely worth buying.